Watching now. Not feeling too good today. Oh, I'm sorry. Drink some hot infusions or soup. I'm okay, bro. I'm okay, thank you. I went to the hospital. I just arrived now. I had my dermatologist. I visited my dermatologist, and well, I have a birthmark and they are going to remove it. But I'm still on waiting list. Ayan, nakaano na siya. I am going to leave my live stream. I am going to cook. I just let this run. Shyam, sorry. I just let this run, guys. I am going to the kitchen and cook. Please, if you have time, you let your mobile or you have spare mobile phones there and let it run for me. Or if not, it's okay. Your thumbs up and your support is enough. So, ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for your big support. Yes, I will have a peppermint tea on. Wow, that's good. Just take that one. If you have rosemary also, you can take that. Subscribe to Leilani, please. She is amazing. Wow, thank you so much, bro Shamrock. All right. Healthcare is good in Spain. Yeah. It's good. I am contented with the healthcare here in Spain. Please take care and get well soon, Sham. You aren't working today? Guys, please support Sham. He's a very supportive brother in the UK. So guys, I just let this run, and if you are busy, just let this one run, guys. It's okay. Your thumbs up or thumbs up is enough. Please get well soon, Sham. You see your sister. It's like a girl playing. But anyways, that's YouTube life. I remember, Sham, when you have your live stream last Sunday, if I am not wrong, there is a guy who is saying unpleasant words. Just let them speak, But sometimes it's like I am thinking to hide that person or that account. But anyways, just ignore them, okay? If they are saying bad things or unpleasant words, something like that, just ignore them, because it's also views for you. It's for your watch hour. Since you are earning your watch hours and subscribers, just let them stay. Just let them talk, because you're earning your watch hours, and it's not bad. They can stay and they can say whatever they want. Kula sa bulol, hello. Wala pa palang damit si Kula sa bulol. Wait, kakabagin yan. Ayan, sintonadong pala ka. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Sham. Thank you. Mag-mute na ako here, guys. Mag-mute na ako. At magluluto na ako.